Now we can discuss about one of the service opportunity, that is packing services facilitator. That packing services facilitator, what he will do? Generally, employees will be transferred for every 3 or 4 years, or 2 or 3 years also certain times, and certain people will be transferred by promotions also, or any other business opportunity. They will be shifted to another locations also. That time, packing their home needs are most important, and transportation is also most important. Packing services will be done. It is a separate work, and transportation is separate work. Well, packing will be done, and they will put in transport also, but they won't transport everything. They will transfer. Transportation is a different process, and packing is a different. What packing will be done, and they will put in transporting goods, or everything they will do up to that level only. Packing services facilitator is most important for shifting houses and all this. Moving is always a pain, and many people hire the entire packing process out. Want to have a steady stream of clients. Partner with a local moving service that will refer new clients to you. So packing services is also a very good service. I will explain my personal experiences. I worked as a senior project manager in Pune. That time I worked there, and then coming back to Hyderabad means I booked Agarwal Packers. Agarwal Packers. What they will charge around that time only for packing they charged around 4,000 rupees. That time, that is in 2005. That time, what they will do is everything they will pack, and they will load in our required transportation. Up to that only their responsibility. So likewise they are asking themselves. They are also coming with some wooden boxes, and boxes, and packing materials, everything they are coming, and they are doing very well. Around four workers has come, and they will pack everything, and they will shift to the transportation, and they will go. But that for that they are charging around 4,000 rupees that time. These persons will come before that, and they will see the location and what are the transportation of goods they will see, and that by that they will charge in advance. If you pay in advance, their workers will come and do everything, and they will go. Likewise, it is a very happy thing. We enjoyed very well by them, because packing will be done by them, and shifting to the transportation lorry will be there. In that also they will put everything in DCM. That is also their work, and they will go away. But separately, I paid for DCM from Chennai, from Pune to Hyderabad is around 5,000 rupees that time in olden days, that is 2005. Though yeah, I comfortably come to the Hyderabad, and I enjoyed that very well, and I am very very happy and comfortable also without any pain. So likewise, the packing services are very good, useful things, and they will say everything what will be packed, and what it will be done, and how they will do, and when they will come. Everything they will explain. Before that, two persons will come and see the location, and what are the equipment they have to pack. Everything they will explain, and according to that they will estimate what packing materials they have to bring, and what is that, and which location it is there. That time we are in fourth floor. In Pune we are in the fourth floor. Fourth floor to that is cabinets and fridges are shifting means they bring with separate threads. From that threads, by roping the threads, they're charged from fourth house to the ground floor. From ground floor, another person is carrying to the transport vehicle. Likewise, they did very well with full skilled person has come that time. I am very very happy with their work. I'm least worried about to pay 4,000 rupees that time. Transporter is also very comfortable because he wants the equipment, whether it is loaded or not. Once loaded, he will go happily. Likewise, I enjoyed very well that shifting was also. So likewise, the packing services are mostly useful things, and that time Agarwal Packers in Pune is giving a very good support and service to me also. So I am also very happy to the things. So likewise, packing services is also a very good professional services. So certain people can utilize that. But the location is the same, and shifting from home from one place to another street means you can manage local trucks also, and you can manage yourself, and you can do things. But from state to state and from city to city, shiftings means you should give contract to packers, and as well as transportation also will be done separately. So wishing you all the best. Enjoy the comforts and be safely. Lead the life. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.